Have you ever wondered how to create a personal development plan with your client? This first step on the journey towards growth and self-improvement is often overlooked, yet it is vital. A personal development plan is a roadmap to achieving your client's goals, be it personal or professional. It's a strategic guide that helps to identify strengths and areas for improvement, setting clear and achievable objectives along the way. Imagine a ship sailing without a compass. It's directionless, isn't it? That's where a personal development plan comes in. It serves as the compass, guiding your client through the journey of self-improvement, ensuring they stay on course. As a life coach, your role in creating this plan cannot be overstated. You're the lighthouse, illuminating the path for your client's journey, providing the tools and structure needed to navigate the sometimes turbulent waters of personal growth. Now you might be wondering how to create such a plan. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process. Creating a personal development plan can be broken down into 5 simple steps. The first step is identifying goals. This involves understanding what your client wants to achieve in the short and long term. Are they looking to improve their leadership skills? Or perhaps they want to learn a new language? The goals should be clear and meaningful to the client. The second step is assessing current skills and abilities. It's important to understand where your client is starting from. What are their strengths? Where could they improve? This assessment provides a baseline and a clear direction for development. The third step is identifying areas for improvement. This is where you'll help your client pinpoint the skills or abilities they need to work on to reach their goals. It's not about focusing on weaknesses, but rather identifying opportunities for growth. Next is the fourth step, setting SMART goals. That stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. These goals should be directly related to the areas for improvement you've identified. They should be challenging, yet realistic, and include a time frame for achieving them. The final step is regularly reviewing and adjusting the plan. As your client progresses, their goals might change, and that's okay. This step ensures the plan stays relevant and continues to challenge your client. By following these steps, you can create a personal development plan that is tailored to your client's needs and aspirations. So, to recap, creating a personal development plan involves a clear understanding of your client's aspirations, setting precise and achievable goals, and crafting a roadmap to reach them. Each step is crucial to the overall plan and contributes to its success. Remember, a personal development plan is not set in stone. It is a dynamic tool that should evolve with your client. So start creating a plan today and empower your clients to achieve their goals. Thank you for watching.